Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to study about reproduction in plants. So plants reproduce through two methods. Number one is asexual reproduction and number two is sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction means a process resulting in the production of genetically identical offspring from one parent. In asexual reproductions, there is no need of male and female gametes. The plant reproduce through their vegetative parts, and therefore the asexual reproduction is also known as vegetative propagation. And another method is sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction is a process involving the fusion of the two gametes. They are sperm and egg to form zygote. So the production of offspring that are genetically different from each other in the sexual reproduction. So in the sexual reproductions, the male produces sperm and female produces egg, and when the egg and sperm meet together they fertilize and form a zygote, and zygote develops into embryo. And this is the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So some of the examples of asexual reproductions are potatoes, ginger and spider plants. Potato reproduce through stem tubers. Ginger reproduce asexually through underground stem called rhizomes. So let us go into detail one by one. Example of vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction. So this is the ginger. So ginger reproduce through asexual reproductions, and see here, these are new plantlets. Now these are new offspring that are growing from the rhizomes of the ginger. These are new plants. See here, these are new plants which are growing from rhizome of the ginger. Now these plants grow into a adult plant, and plants are identical to the parents. This is spider plant, and this plant multiply or reproduce through asexual reproduction. So mainly the spider plants reproduce through their vegetative parts. Okay, so this is spider plants. So spider plants reproduce through their vegetative parts, therefore the asexual reproduction is also known as vegetative propagation. So spider plants reproduce through their parts. Now these are the plantlets. These are plantlets which are identical to the parents. See here. Now this is plantlets which are grown from the vegetative parts. Now this is how the spider plants reproduce. Offspring are similar, identical to the parents. Now this is one of the example of asexual reproduction.